Okay, so this one's pretty short. This is a problem from your chapter 1 textbook. Again, this is going to be exercise 1-10, and let's take a look at it. And so in this one, again, we're looking at our financial statements. And notice they give us an income statement for the year ended December 31st. We have 2 categories of revenue, service and sales, and we've got 4 categories of expenses. And so then again, they've already prepared this, and then they just want us to kind of go through 4 questions. Number 1, did the company generate more revenue from selling goods or providing services? And that's pretty easy because you can see the service revenue is 245, whereas the sales revenue is 67. So they definitely have a lot more money from their service categories. You're analyzing that. Part 2 says if salaries and wages were to double, what would happen to net income? Well, if salaries and wages are 52.5, if you were to double that, then of course net income would go down by 52,500. And I think in the next slide they show you that. I think this is 52.5. Yeah, so in this slide here, yeah, so here's what would happen. You'll notice that if you look at your salaries and wages, if they doubled, you can see how that would actually drop your net income because, you know, expenses go up, net income goes down. And then I think on the next one, it's kind of an interesting question. They said if the company paid $30,000 for advertising, this is again what they paid, and again they're showing 37.6, meaning that they haven't paid all their advertising. That just means that they still owe $7,600, and that would be a part of most likely accounts payable on your balance sheet. And let's see, and then I think the last one, again, the dividends are not reported on the balance sheet. Remember, dividends, I showed this earlier, I think if you go back to the lecture PowerPoint, dividends only show up on the statement of retained earnings. Okay, all right, I think that's it. Again, this is a short one for chapter 1. All right.